Hello children, in this video we will understand how to find square root of a decimal number. The first number I am taking up is 12.25. Now as we have already discussed all the three methods of finding the square root of a number, but when we have to find square root of a decimal number, we use division method because it is easy and convenient. So when we use the division method, we will the procedure is same as we do in the simple numbers. So we start by making pairs, starting from the last digit this way, right? And then the same procedure will follow. We will think of a square number which, when multiplied by itself, gives a number less than or equal to 12. This gives 3. Now this number is multiplied with 2 and we get 6 here. Now when the thing is, here you have to note down that when you are finding the square root of a decimal number, when to put decimal above, when to put decimal in the quotient, that you have to take care, and that is done when you bring the pair down, when you bring the pair which comes after the decimal. This pair comes after the decimal, and when you bring this pair down, then you will put decimal here in the quotient, right? I repeat, when you bring the pair down which comes just after the decimal, then you will put decimal here in the quotient. Now the rest of the method is exactly same. Now again we think of a number with digit which we will write here, and we will multiply the whole number with that digit, and we will get 325. So since the last digit is 5, the only number that comes to our mind is 5. Let us check it. 25, yes, it is the same number. So we will write 5 here. If we write 5 here, we will write 5 here also, and we get 325. Remainder 0. Therefore, square root of 12.25 is 3.5. This is the answer, right? One more example. Let us take one more example. I take number 17.64. Making pairs, starting with which number we'll start with? Because it is 17, we will start with 4. 4 4s are 16. Always square number you have to take. Remainder is 1. Now when we bring this pair down which comes after decimal, I will put decimal here. This 4 will be multiplied with 2 and I get 8 here. The last digit is 4. So either I will write 2 here or 8 here. Let me check with 2. It gives the same number. So yes, I will write 2 here also. I'll get 164, and that gives me the answer. The square root of 17.64 is 4.2. That is all for this question.